I have needed to have a tummy tuck for many years. I had kind of an apron that hung down off of my stomach. And so I went to the doctor in the States, and it would cost between $17,000 and $20,000, which I couldn't afford to do. So I started looking on the internet and found Dr. Chavarría and several other plastic surgeons that would give me, a quote on having the surgery done. So I got the quotes from the three doctors, and I did some research, and I just felt like Dr. Chavarria's credentials. I liked, his schooling and his just the credentials that he had with the States. He was affiliated with the Plastic Surgery Society of America. So that's why I chose him. And his patient coordinator was great about getting everything set up for me, scheduling all of my appointments, and then they suggested that I go to the Las Cumbres and stay there. So those arrangements were made for me. I got here a week ago Sunday. I came in on Tuesday for my pre-op and met Dr. Chavarría, explained everything he would be doing, and that I would come in the next day, have the surgery, and then I would spend the night here and then go home the next morning. So I was really nervous. I expected it to be very, very painful because I had stitches from hip bone to hip bone. But when I woke up after the surgery, I was completely amazed how good I felt because he doesn't use a general anesthetic. I didn't have that nauseated, sick feeling that I normally get after surgery. The nurse made me tea and some soup, and I ate it. I slept off and on all night, and then the next morning they got me up and took me back. And I have not had hardly any pain with it. I'm just almost euphoric. I'm so thrilled. And he took 8 pounds of skin and fat off, which makes a huge difference for me and how I feel about myself. So I am very, very happy that I came and that I picked him for my daughter.